Hello friends, welcome to day 3 of coloring Crayola in Small Victories. Today let's color this beautiful flowers. Uh, I'll be using these three colors, lilac, royal purple and plum. The way I'll use this, wherever there is shadow like this is the shadow area, I'll use the darkest, that is plum, and then I'll take royal purple and then the lightest area like this will be lilac. So it will be 63 plum first, royal purple next, and then lilac. So these area will be plum and then a little further will be royal purple and then I'll take lilac. So that way we can finish this recording this video faster because I feel that whenever I take and place this card, it takes a lot of time and wastes your time as well. So let me do a little close up and then let's start this. This is 63 plum. Okay, this is the area where I want the shadows to be. So so the next is royal purple. I'll bring the royal purple, blend it with plum, bring it a little further. Now I'll blend everything with lilac. So I'll go again with the plum, the darkest, and darken these a little bit. That's it. Oh, yeah. There are buds here, so I'll use my lilac. And this is plum. Now let's do the leaves. For the leaves, the combos that I plan to use is olive and asparagus. So olive will be for the darker parts and the asparagus for the lighter ones. So olive. I'll start with olive here. This flower looks so beautiful. And now the asparagus. Done. Now let's do the background. For the background, I'll use yellow and unmellow yellow. I'm sorry for my handwriting. I made a spelling mistake here and I corrected it. So unmellow yellow will be for the internal thing and yellow will be on the outside. So it's dark and as it goes in, it becomes lighter. So that's the plan. So let me use unmellow yellow first. Unmellow yellow. Now I'll use yellow and then I'll take my unmellow yellow and blend it. And for these white inside dots of the flower, I'm going to use my water-based marker. These are AN markers. These are very inexpensive markers. These are these have two tips, a fine tip and a brush tip, something like this. You should use only your water-based markers in these books. If you have anything like this, a Hoo marker, don't use them because they will bleed. I'll show you. This is the test page. And if I use my marker here. See, can you see that? There is a focus. All right, I'll use something else. Let's see, I use it here. You can see it is bled through the paper. But if you use these papers, these marker, there's nothing on the other side. So let's use the water-based marker. And if the if you're buying from Amazon, if the description doesn't say anything about the marker, then it's usually alcohol-based markers. Water-based markers, they specifically mention that they are water-based markers. So I'm using the yellow. You can use any water-based marker. AN is the one that I have currently with me. I wanted a bright yellow here. So you can leave it like this, or you can go over it with your gel pen. So that's it. How do you like this? Please let me know in the comment section. Please give a like in case you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. That really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.